Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is time for a club release, and I love this one because it's so versatile. I always try to make the club sets very versatile, but this one especially has so many different uses. Are you ready? I'm excited about this one. It is called Wishing Well to Stamp, and it's quite a large stamp, but the best part about it is, yes, it fits on an A2 size card, also 5x7, but also on your slimline card. So it's gonna be a great size for those, and I have lots of samples to share with you. But look how cute it is. Sending you, and you could say get well wishes or best wishes on your birthday, wishing you all the best, make a wish, some cute little things to put in the wishing well, some fun little grass to put around it, some little spoofs of greenery, flower, cute little bucket to put in there, and of course, Stamp Club members, you're getting the stamp set. Die Hard Club members, you are also getting the dies that match. Now, look at how large that die is that I snuck in there. Isn't that awesome? I know. And of course, we get the shadow of this one as well. Now, you also got a couple little extra pieces of grass. Now, I threw in the extra pieces of grass, the dies, because I was worried you were going to lose some. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to keep throwing in a whole bunch, as much as I can get in there. Because, you know, if you miss one or two or you lose them, it's okay because you have more. So I kind of just threw those extras in there. Don't tell anybody, okay? Now, of course, our club members are also getting their handy dandy postcard that shows some examples. And our club members are getting a freebie this month. So if you're not in the club, you're missing out on this freebie. If you join the month this set is released, there's a chance we'll have some freebies left. So sign up ASAP to get those freebies because hello, and you get sign-on bonus freebies too. So wow, you're getting a lot of freebies just for joining the club. So you got to join now to get this extra freebie. But all of my club members this month, Stamp and Die Hard, are getting this freebie. And I'm not going to show it to you because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Let's look at some of our fun samples. Look at how gorgeous this is on our 5x7 gatefold. Best wishes. We're gonna open that up. We have our message on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Here it is on the 5x7. Here it is on the A2. So you'll see that I made sure that this was gonna fit beautifully on all sizes. Now let me just jump in and show you a slimline so you can really see the examples of it will fit on so many different sizes, which is fantastic. You could even make it a tag if you wanted to. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the little greenery that's purple on this card, which I absolutely love. Make your own little grass, add your little message on the inside. Here's a cute one, wishing you a great day. Isn't that beautiful? And you can use our little flowers, which I really love. Here's a cute one using our background die set. I love that. Make a wish. May all your wishes come true. Isn't that beautiful? Now, you can also put these on bookmarks. Look at how cute that is. We always need bookmarks, right? I always have a couple in my Bible because I always need different spots for different pastors and different messages. But look, you can decorate the back and you can have the front all decorated. So fun. And a cute little gift to put in a card. Here's a cute one. Ooh, look at our gorgeous sun in the corner. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the little birdie on there and the cute little fence. Oh, now here's a gorgeous one. Look at this one. You can layer it using our stitched rectangle dies. Isn't that beautiful? And we have a fun flower background. That's actually a sneak peek, by the way. Here's a cute one. There's another one on the slimline. So I don't want you to think this is limited to one size card. You can use this on all different sizes of cards, which is nice because then it makes it even more versatile, right? Oh, look how beautiful this one. Oh, there's our little tortoise. Look how cute that tortoise is. I love my little tortoise. Wishing well. Look at that. Oh, look how pretty that is. On your birthday, wishing you a great day. Look at that fun fence in the background. We have cute little balloons. Wishing you all the best and a lot of space to write your message, which I absolutely love. Now look at how gorgeous this is on our A2 vine and flower background die. Look how pretty that is. Sending you best wishes on your birthday. Isn't that pretty? And look how fun it is to decorate, add a little bit of extra stamped images next to your words. I absolutely love that. Now, not to be forgotten, here's our cute little gnome-ette with the wishing well. Look how cute that is. Wish big. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Never fear, yours are already on their way. So that's very exciting. Now, if you're not in the club, you need to join. You can join for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you each month and Then you're getting club discounts on everything, 15% off of our entire website every single day, as long as you're a club member. And you're earning club points, and you would get that freebie, and you get a freebie sign-on bonus gifts. I mean, it's like, why not, right? Now, if you saw all this and you really like this, guess what? There's another video because there are some add-on items that you might want. So go check out that video next. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.